school bag. Getting all my stuff ready to go to work. My lift, the job. Yee. Literally just a girl. Buenos dias, guys. Oh yeah, and my gloves. Hold on. I don't touch nothing without my gloves. Oops. It's currently 4:58. Put my harness on. 4:58 a.m. And then I'm gonna finish drinking my water. I like to drink one water whenever I get here. And then, what am I doing? I'm gonna go get on my lift. Go where I need to go. Like, put my stuff there. And then go to the restroom. And that's it. I'm about to figure out what I want to eat. Low key, yeah. Let me eat. Hold on. To hydrate me. This is what I'm gonna drink this morning. Okay, deadass. I'm about to make a spaghetti sandwich with my tortillas. Tortillas, spaghetti. Okay, I got 2 waters here. And then 2 more waters there. I just finished eating. And now I'm about to drink my drink. Hi guys, I'm just drinking my drink. And then I'm gonna move my lift to my area. And then I'm gonna go to the restroom. Yee! Restroom break. Today's 5th. Slay. I'm all nutty. I'm on the left, guys. Yee. That's true. We gon' stick together like glue. Our love is stronger than any drug. I just can't get enough. I thought I was recording this whole time, and I wasn't. I need some more straps. I have my music on if you don't know. I'm just putting up pipe. some material. Okay, this break, I sit on a bucket. Normally, well, everyone else goes to the lunch tent. I don't want to be inviting people, and I don't want to walk all the way to my car. I wait for lunch break because this break is only 15 minutes. So I already ate, but I'm gonna eat the rest of my spaghetti. It's so good with my tortilla and watch YouTube. Okay, bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Where's my Propel? Hold on. No, that's my sauce. I got all kind of shit. There we go. Alright, now I'm gonna watch YouTube. Guys, I'm cold. Cold as shit. It's lunch. I just got to the car. Let's see. I need to get gas. Do I want to go get food? What do I want? There's a Sonic. Do we want Sonic? I really want something. I don't know what I want, guys. Am I even hungry? I am hungry. Should we go see what we can get? Why, Tyler? Just because I can. Where am I gonna go? What do we want? We need to make a quick decision, like ASAP. I don't know. We're gonna go somewhere. There's a Sonic. I've been going to QT lately, but I don't want brisket today. I've been getting brisket sandwiches and bullshit, and I had pizza one day, but I don't want that. Oh shit. Oh, what was that noise? I heard something. Alright. Oh, guys, it's so cold. Freezing cold, actually. My hands are freezing. Everything else, I'm good. Like, I'm warm, but just my hands are cold. Wait, give me a second. Let me put my phone on charger. Okay. I don't know what I want. They have a Culver's right here. The thing with Culver's is, like, they take long. Every time you order something, they take long, and you have to, like, park. I don't have time to park. Let me see. What could I eat? I don't want another brisket sandwich. I want a burger. They have I don't want a sandwich. They have a Subway right there. There's Sonic, like I said. Does Sonic take long? I don't remember. There's a Dunkin' Donuts. What can I get from Dunkin' Donuts? I don't know. I never really ate Dunkin' Donuts before or had their food before. Y'all, I've been on prep all my life. Not playing. It feels like it. So I don't really know. And Yelp is not bringing up nothing. I need to put some chapstick on. I'm trying to get in my pocket. Because who needs chap lips? Not me. And then I'm gonna put gas too. So if I go to put gas at Safeway, I'm gonna get to save money from the points. But Safeway is not. If I go to QT, I always go in, put gas, and get food. But I don't want a brisket sandwich. Oh, I need a massage. I have like knots. But oh, today's going by slow. It started off so good, guys, and then this weather is trash. Like, this weather is poo. Boo, boo, tomatoes. How did that go? Yeah, this weather is trash, guys. So it's been raining all this morning. I was gonna start the vlog this morning and I didn't because it was raining so bad and I had PTSD again. And I was like, terrified, like praying, scared for. I didn't cry today, but I was really scared. Like, oh shit, this lane closes. I was scared for my life, and so I didn't vlog this morning because I was like, fuck this. Both hands on the steering wheel, no games. I play no games anymore when it comes to rain. Thank you. I'm terrified for life. Terrified for life. Guys, I don't know what to eat. Oh my god, this is like a new area. I think this is where we went eat BJ's whenever we went get that burger. Definitely, if I want something like that, I have to order it ahead of time so I can just pick it up. Because BJ's take too long. You can't just order food and just go pick it up. And like, we get 30 minutes. What the hell we gonna do in 30 minutes? Nothing. But I don't really care because today's my last day for a week. So I'm on vacation. I'm in vacation mode. I don't care. I don't really see anything. Did I pass Culver's? I feel like it's gonna be to the left, but I need gas first. Should I go to Culver's first? Oh, it's right there. Is there a line? It's 10:40. Are they open? Sonic's right here. Babes, we're going to Sonic. I hope they don't take long. I haven't had Sonic in forever. I'm going to go to the drive-thru. I want some tots. And a burger. Oh, they have a two drive-thru? Okay. Hold on, guys. I just got here.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get the pretzel bun and crisp bacon sandwich? Wait, is that the name?
Did you want it in the meal or by itself?
The meal.
Okay,
What,
medium
tots?
or large?
Large.
With fries or tots?
Tots.
And then for the drink?
Do you guys have any diet drinks? Or like diet?
Yeah, Diet Dr. Pepper, Diet Coke, Diet Sprite.
Can I get a diet Sprite?
Diet Sprite, okay. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright, just a pretzel bacon double smasher with sauce and Sprite 0. It's gonna be $14.22.
Okay. I couldn't see, guys. Oh, I look like a big ass balloon with this fucking jacket. Hold on, let me take this off. I look so funny with this. Oh, not y'all. Wait, I still have to go get gas, so I'm not gonna. I need to get my wallet. I didn't know they had Diet Sprite or Sprite 0, whatever. I'm about to F this up. I want some ketchup and honey mustard. They have good honey mustard. Yeah. Please don't take long. It's already like late. I don't care. I'm gonna eat my food and take my time. It's my last day. I don't care. I say this, yes, I do care. I do very much care. Oh god. Alright, I'll see you guys whenever I get my food. So I'm not going to get gas. It's late. I'm just gonna eat, and then I'm going to the gym over here today, so I'll get gas either before or after the gym. This food is hot, and I got the heater blasting in here, but I'm about to eat. I got all my tater tots filled, and I got this sandwich. I'm about to buzz. I really want some chocolate. It smells really good. Damn, I really want some chocolate. I don't know why, guys. I be craving chocolate like every day. Like bad. Every single day I'm craving chocolate. Why? I don't know. Alright. I'm about to eat. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I will get it again. Oh my god. Oop. I dropped my tater tot. That burger? Why is you going over there? Where are you going? I'm finishing up my tater tots. Shout out to them. Wow, I haven't had Sonic in a minute. That was really good. Guess what time it is? Time for me to go back to work. Boom. Alright guys, I'll see you maybe back at work or when it's time to go to the gym. I think I'm low-key kind of still hungry. Damn, I am. I mean, I have my food that I brought, but I don't want that. I want some chocolate. That's what I really want. It's really good. So crisp. So crisp. So crisp. So crisp. Alright, guys. Bye. Guys, I forgot I was vlogging, but 1 more hour left. Yee, I'm ready to go. Literally, the job site is empty. Putting on my harness. Hi, babes. I just left the job site. Oh my god, guys. I'm so tired. Like, I was this close to not going to the gym. And I was like I had already made the decision that I wasn't gonna go. And then I was like, you know what? Just go. Don't make this, like, it looks like whenever I wear blue, it makes my lips look like blue. Like, I look sick. Ew, like, ew, I don't like that. Like, that's gross. But anyways, what was I saying? Oh, I was like, you know what? No, go to the gym. You had Sonic today. What I really was gonna do is order some crumble. I forgot about the mystery menu, and the crumble lineup sucks this week, but the mystery menu isn't bad. Like, the mystery menu wasn't good stuff, so I was gonna order some. I already have my cart ready and everything, and I was like, I was just gonna go straight there after work, and I was like, you know what, girl, no, go to the gym. It's only upper goes by really quick. It's like 45 minutes, and then do your cardio. And then that's it. Then you can go home. So I may get crumble after. I don't know, depending how I feel. We'll see. But we're on our way to the gym. There's like 3 different gyms around my work area. So I be going from one to the next. Like I don't go to the same one. But do I want to get this thing? Yeah. But today we're gonna go to the one that I mainly go to. But I literally should have went to the one that was like right there. Like, there's one 2 minutes away, literally, like right there. But I don't feel like going to that one. And then I also need to get gas. I may go to Sam's Club after and get gas, or Safeway, because Safeway have points, because I'll be going to get cookies and shit. So I have like buku points. So I was like, either go to Safeway and get gas, or Sam's, or I don't know where my Costco card is. I need to go to Costco and get a new card. I really lost it. I don't know. And I don't have my Sam's Club card, but it's on my phone. You can pay like with gas on your phone and stuff. Who's behind me? Sir, oh, I hate being stuck in traffic, guys. Is that a car wash? No, that's a car dealership. There's so many little stores and stuff right here. I was like, what is that noise? Because it was hailing here and it looked like snow, guys. And I was like, is that hail? No, it's just dirt from the 18-wheeler. It's just dirt. But we're almost there. It's just like everyone's getting off, so it takes a little while to get there. Guys, I'm tired. Damn, I'm falling asleep. What the fuck? That shit is wild. Let me get my energy drink. Hold on. Also, guys, y'all are about to die. I think I'm gonna charge y'all while I do my cardio. I do 20 minutes before my workout. So so I'll charge all while I'm doing this 20 minutes. I thought I put a different energy drink in here. That shit just pissed me off. I got this one. I thought I had a Lonnie in there. Shit. I'm over it. I'm fucking over it. Like, fuck. What is going on? This shit is pissing me off. It's all over my shirt. I'm about to go walk in the gym. Can y'all see? I can literally feel it dripping. Give me a second. Alright, hold on. I'm putting on my stuff. I'm watching a TikTok. Okay, so I cut it off. I put my stuff in here. Right? This is my gym bag. Don't be sliding, girl. Oh, I cannot break this camera. Okay. I don't know where I don't know where my mount is. Let me see if I can put you guys like this. I'm trying not to forget anything. Okay. Okay. Gym bag is ready. Energy drink. Alright, I need to fill up my water. Oh, she's pretty full. I had a water bottle. What did I do with it? For upper body, I don't really sweat that much, but I am doing cardio, so I am probably gonna sweat a lot. I don't know. I did bring a water from work. Yes, I did. Okay. That should be enough. I gotta go to the restroom so bad. Y'all can see. Okay. Let me make sure I close this. Okay. Water is ready. I don't need anything from that. All right. I'm gonna take my boots off because I will forget them. I've done it before, not recently, like years ago. I forgot my boots at the gym, but I had a locker and everything, so it was still there. I don't have a lock. I don't even know where that lock is. All right, put my tennis shoes on. That way I don't have to have a lock in. I put everything in my bag. Okay, now checklist. I have everything for you guys to film. Charger, everything, camera, right there. Energy drink, water. Okay, phone. All right, boom. Let me pull up my Planet Fitness thing. That way it's ready to scan and ready to go. I got my headphones in my pocket. I still haven't set up my new headphones. All right, let's go. QT is right there if I want to get gas from that one. I was gonna put my key in my bag, but I forgot I gotta lock the door. All right, see you guys inside. All right, guys, I just did 30 minutes of my cardio. He collected to play with me, and I'm gonna do the other 30 after. Oh shit, I was watching YouTube, but I'm going. Y'all are charged too. I did charge y'all. I'm gonna go put my I'm gonna use the restroom before we get started with our workout. It is upper, like I said, so it's gonna go by quick. I have to do abs, okay? I have to. Like, we gotta do abs. I've been neglecting abs. Trying to get my microphone. Alright, I'm gonna go potty. You guys seen this workout plenty of times, so I may just add music. I never had music in a long time, so I kind of just want to get in, get out, because I still got to do my hour-and-a-half drive back home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little portion, and I'll talk to you guys whenever I can. Yee! Guys, I'm lucky feeling kind of fat right now, and it's kind of pissing me off. We're almost done though. We have, well, you guys already know my upper body, but we're almost done. But I just like look at myself, I'm like, I'm kind of chunky. Like my upper body's still very lean. Like it's, you can see like the fat, the delts, but I feel like in my stomach area. Obviously, that's like where all my fucking weight goes. Ooh, my elbow. I really need to go to a chiropractor, but I'm only doing 10. What I do is kind of just keep it light and do like a lot of reps because my elbow, guys, my right side, I really need to go to a chiropractor. It freaking hurts, like bad. But it's like when, child, I don't know. Oosh, okay. I'm only doing this set talking because I need to get back in the zone because I get unmotivated whenever I'm talking to y'all. I get distracted. Ooh, ooh, it's open. The reverse flies. That's what we're gonna do next. It's never open. Okay. We have one more set though. The reverse fly got taken, so we'll do triceps. Okay, we're gonna go do the reverse, fly, and then hanging leg raises. Okay, guys. Yee. Yee. We're on our last one, our last exercise, and then we're gonna go do abs. I don't think they have a hanging. Oh, wait, do y'all see that? Wait, I wasn't even trying to do that. I'm just very strong right now. Damn, I'm doing 50 pounds. Wait, something's not right. Something feels a little off. Oh no. I don't know. Alright, guys. But, anyways, I feel kind of chunky, not gonna lie. And I'm having a good workout though. Like, I feel swole, like my upper body. I just wish I would have wore like leggings today. I don't know. Or a big shirt, you know? That's just my vibe. But I packed my clothes. So I packed two different outfits. The other one was a romper. Hell no, I'm not wearing a romper. I would have looked like a fucking tamale or a roly poly. Like, hell no. So I went with this one. I mean, this one is not that bad. Dang, good thing. Good thing. No, this one's not that bad, but I wish I had like a big tee. Cause like my little fucking belly, bro. Look, my belly. Oh. Wait, am I gonna hit you? Eh, I'm playing. I'm so playing right now. I'm only doing 3 sets. For today, I only did 3 sets of every exercise. Oh, wait, guys, we can go do abs back there. I never went in that room. Yeah, we'll do that. And I'm only gonna do 3 sets of abs too. And then I have 30 minutes of cardio left. I'm so happy that I did 30 before. And then I'll be done. And then we'll get on the road and drive home. So I don't look forward to the drive, but it's okay because I don't go to work tomorrow. So I'm like, okay, I'm okay with it. Oh, damn, I'm already sore. My upper body, like, I tell you guys all the time, my upper body gets like pump real quick and sore real quick. Like, I don't know, I don't hold that much fat on my upper body, but like my lower body, please, the fat be there, hanging on by a thread. This is my last set. Okay, this is why I need music. I cannot just do. I need to be like distracted. One more. All right, let's go do some abs, guys. I'm getting like stink stares in here, but it's always by the same girl. And you know, I just stare back like, boom. We literally just made eye contact again. What the fuck? What the fuck? Like, what is she doing? Like, what the fuck? She keeps staring at me. And it's not like a cute stare or like a high stare. It's like a stank stare. Like, girl, what is you with what? Oh, they do have it. I didn't know they had this one. I didn't see it. All right, guys, we're right here. Okay, we're just doing 3 sets. That is it. No más. 3 sets, 15 reps. All right, let me put a song on. Oh. I'm playing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That I don't even wear. I will do a set like this too, because it puts you at an angle. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to pee. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. One more set. Ooh. Oh. I'm like a kid, guys. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna do our last set, and then I'm gonna go use the restroom. Do my 30 minutes of cardio. Get on the road. Get on the road. Road. Oh. Okay. Damn, my arms are so tight. Like swollen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. Okay. We're done. I'll see you guys in the car. Guys, I just finished. Ooh. I'm gonna go get gas. We're just gonna go, like, literally next door to the QT. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it rained. I hate this weather. It's been raining every day. Ugh, gross. All the clouds look like cotton candy. Cute. Damn, QT is packed. Oh my god, my car's so dirty. Y'all, it's so bad. Ooh. Hold on, let me get settled. Alright guys, I just finished. I wonder if that car wash is free, like, vacuum. I'm gonna go vacuum my car real quick. It's literally right there. Ooh, it's close. Ooh, ooh, excuse me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is it free? Yeah, I'm going straight across and just like use a vacuum real quick for my front. Yeah, give me a second. Hold on. Guys, guess who's here? Alright, let's go get a chicken sandwich cook. We're gonna go get
starting route to 1.
We're gonna go get a chicken.
Proceed to the route.
Girl!
Then take the first
Alright.
right.
This QT has a freaking smoothie machine in there. Like a whole, when I say, I saw somebody leave with a box of pizza. Since when QT could, they had a whole smoothie machine in there. Like different, like fruit smoothies. What the fuck? Then they also, cause I went to use the restroom. And I went back in my car. I didn't show you guys, but I was quick. Then they also had a robot vacuum. Like when I said this robot had eyes and everything. Oh, wait, girl, I need to get out of here. I don't even know where I'm at. Okay, we're gonna go to Dave's Hot Chicken because I want some chicken, and we're gonna go to Crumble because I want crumble the food. And then we're just gonna eat it here and then have a slow night drive. Cook. 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 You'll see his ears. All right. I'll pick you guys up whenever we get to... It's late. No, it's not. It's just dark. Whenever we get to Dave's Hot Chicken. Guys, you can't even tell, but we are stopped. Like, literally. This is to merge on the highway. It's red. This is why I don't like... Oh my god, guys. I just left QT. Like, this is it. We are not going to Dave's Hot Chicken. Hell no. Look at this traffic. But you know, look, and they're merging on this side, we're merging on this side, and then it stopped everywhere. Like, guys, we're gonna be here a long time. Yeah. Yep. All right, I gotta go. Hi guys, just a little update. It may be dark. It was 6:35 and I'm still driving. Did we go anywhere? No. I was gonna stop to Crumble, but the one I normally go to after work has all the mystery flavors, right? And I had already passed that up, so it was gonna take me to a different Crumble, and excuse me, that one that it was taking me to didn't have the mystery, so it was like the basic lineup, which I don't like. So I was like, I'm just gonna go home. So I'm literally starving right now, guys. My stomach is touching my back. It's growling. Like, I'm so hungry. So as soon as I get home, I'm trying to decide, should I just eat my spaghetti or order a burger from Denny's? Well, the Burger Den. What should I do? And then go get some cookies or something from Safeway, because I want to have like a little movie night with my son. And then I'm gonna take Cookie on a walk. I'm gonna take him on a walk. I'm gonna try and... Damn, I'm starving. I'm gonna take him on a W right now, as soon as I get home. Then I'm gonna order DoorDash and just go pick it up, because you can't order the Burger Den no other way. Like, you have to order it through DoorDash, and I'm just gonna pick it up instead of have it delivered to me. Guys, I'm really tired. Oh my god, I'm like dead ass falling asleep and shit. I know, baby, I know. We're almost there. He tired, we both tired and bored, and there's traffic, but we got this. Alright guys, we're home. I already took everything out the car. I'm about to warm me some food. I'm starving. Like, I'm so hungry. Hi, babe. Hi. You want a treat? And then I'm gonna take him on a W. Look, mommy only have one left. Mommy didn't order you no more. I'm sorry. Mommy sorry, cook. I was gonna eat out, but I think I'm just gonna eat my food and go get dessert from Safeway. I'll cook. Go get... Look how much I have left. I don't have that much left. And just yesterday, I thought I had so much left. The way I'm about to demolish this is crazy. Oop. It's 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. It's 95 degrees. At least I didn't waste nothing. Ooh. You left the freaking thing right there. Throw away your trash, dude. Ugh. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this real quick and then take him on a W, and then maybe shower or go get our dessert. I don't know. We'll see. Cause mommy's so hungry. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Literally start. Okay guys, I just got back inside. We went on the walk. It was freezing cold outside. Now all I'm doing is unpacking all of my stuff and putting everything away. I'm so happy I ate that. Hi, baby. My meal, because I was so hungry. I was starving. Golly, cook. Oh no, mommy got all kind of stuff in here. Literally. All right. This stays in there. And then, what else? I'm trying to decide if I want to go. I need to charge my headphones and mic. I'm trying to decide if I want to go shower right now or go to Safeway and then shower. Probably go to Safeway then shower, right? Because I'm not hungry, so I can shower after and then like let everything settle and just enjoy it. You know what I mean? And like whenever I be going there hungry, guys, oh my god, all I see is red. I'd be like, shh. But I'm about to put everything away and then feed him. Well, try and feed him. And then, good. Oh. Oh, y'all can't even see me. I was in my bathroom. All right, give me a second. Okay, he just ate. Now, I went look on Netflix to see what came out. Netflix been dropping the Christmas movies like every day, guys. Yeah. So I found a movie. Where you at? Wait, I'm looking for me. I said, you want to come? Look where you at. Wait. Let me show you guys. Cook said, I'm at the door. Let's go. Wait. I didn't know where he was. That boy is at the door, ready to go. All right, let me put my shoes back on quick. We're gonna go. I don't know what I want. You just burped, dude. Damn, you just burped. I know for sure I want another Biscoff butter because he likes it too. Look, he beat me to the door. Wait, I don't have no keys. I'm still not used to always grabbing keys. I never used to grab keys. My key in my Range Rover used to just stay in there. Fun fact. Always stayed in there. Hey, babe. Oh. My bad, guys. Come on. Get in. Good job. Mommy found that. That's some trash. That's just trash, dude. Go. Thank you. All right. Safeway. Hate to see me coming. My favorite place. I think I know what I'm gonna get, guys. I got it in my hand. I think I know what I'm gonna get. I think I want Biscoff and I want damn, I forgot. I don't know. Oh, sorry, Say, baby. I don't know if I want Biscoff. No. If I want chocolate chip cookies or Oreos. But for sure, Biscoff. Got the goods, Cook. Cook like him some Biscoff. Okay. Everyone always asks me the cookies I like. Let me show you guys. Wait, they're not here. They're not here, guys. Okay, so you see the red bag? The red is what? Wait, since when they changed the colors? They used to be, literally, they were purple. That's not even the right, they must have run out of the bags. Yeah, they did, because look, oatmeal and then sugar. The bag used to be purple. They ran out of bags, but it's normally a dark purple. They printed this out and put that on there. Good. Sit down. Sit. Hey, sit down. You wanna whipping? Sit down. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. What are they prepping for? Who remember these cookies in school? Whenever they used to have like the parties, I ain't gonna lie, them bitches used to hit. They used to hit so good. Wait, what is this on my shirt? What is on my jacket? Damn. What is that? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Let me see if they have his teas over here. I have to order them on Amazon because he doesn't like the peanut butter ones. Where are they at? Oh, right here. So he only eats these. He doesn't eat this one. So I have to order it from Amazon, and that way he can just get these. It comes by itself. But oh, there, whatever peanut. He don't like that. Look how he looking. So I forgot to order it. He had one left, and I gave it to him, and he's looking like, where's the rest? No, cause mommy just bought you so many toys. We came in here for cookies. That is it. Okay, so I normally get Oreo Thins, but I think I kind of want to get real Oreos today and, like, I don't know, be childish and lick the icing from the middle. I'm so childish, but I think I want to do that. Where are the regular? Oh, that's the family size. That's what I'd be getting, the family size. I'm gonna just get a regular size. That's enough. All right. That's it. This is literally my 3 go-to. Yeah, that's it, guys. All right. Let's go check out. Wait, oh, I was thinking, I was like, where's my phone? All right, let's get out of here. Okay, guys, I got my snacks: Biscoff, Oreos, and 2 Sunkist, so I don't have to get up and look at him. Like, you're not gonna give me none? And then I smell so good. This is the movie. Hold on. This is what we're gonna watch. Champagne Problems. Yay, the vibe.
I don't have time for sightseeing.
All right, guys. I'm so excited. I love Christmas movies. Like, this is my vibe. Look at him. He's so cute. All right. I'll talk to you guys before I go to bed.
Even the sound of a cork popping is enough to get people excited. See what I mean? So what is it about a sparkling wine from a tiny region in France that makes it so special?
I'm falling asleep. I can't finish it. I ate the Oreos and I ate some of the Biscoff. Oh, I didn't even touch the chocolate chip cookies, but I'm going to bed. Me and my son tired. I'm asleep on this couch. How could we be knocked out every Friday night, even though today's Thursday? Alright, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for spending the day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Whew. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.